Hi Uma, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How about you, sir?
I'm good, thanks for asking. And yeah, so I'm going to take your mock interview, and this is a final mock interview. And
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
so could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning. Firstly, thank you, sir, for taking time to meet with me today. I'm Uma Devi Salpela from Nandyal. Currently, I'm working as a senior associate at Wipro Technologies with around 1.8 years of experience in networking. In my current role, I work on troubleshooting and managing enterprise network. I have hands-on experience on routing protocols such as OSPF and BGP, including troubleshooting of the routing protocols. I monitor the device health using the monitoring tool Jobix. We will get the tickets accordingly, and we will assign the tickets and we solve them. I also work on VLANs, inter VLAN configuration, and the STP, RSTP. Apart from routing and switching, I was involved in ISP coordination, incident management, tag support handling, security patches, iOS upgrades. I monitor the device health using the Jobix monitoring tool and maintain the documents and prepare the RCA as well. I also troubleshoot the hardware level issues of the Cisco and Juniper devices. Technically, I have a strong knowledge on the networking. This is about me, sir. These are my current roles and responsibilities.
Okay, fantastic. And yeah, so shall we start with the basics, Ma? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So currently, I purchased a new computer, okay,
Yes, sir.
and I need internet to that computer. So, what are the basic configuration you will assign to the computer?
After buying a computer, we must need the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and the DNS. So to we can assign it statistically, or using the DHCP. Nowadays, everyone is going with the DHCP. So I will go with the DHCP. DHCP is the dynamic host configuration protocol. It is used to allocate the network configuration data such as the IP address, subnet mask, DNS, and the default gateway to assign automatically. It follows the DORA process. First, the client will send the DHCP discovery message to discover the DHCP servers in the same subnet. The DHCP servers which are on the same subnet will respond with the DHCP offer message to the client
Okay.
with the network configuration data. Now the client will request the network configuration data by the DHCP server. The DHCP server acknowledges the DHCP client request and assigns the network configuration data. This is how the we will allocate the IP address to
So
our.
yeah, okay. You're explaining about DORA process, how PC will get this all information.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, consider so explain at packet level. Okay. So PC MAC address consider it's AA, and how exactly it will get the you know all this information from server. Can you explain at packet level?
Yes, sir. While coming to the DHCP discovery message, the packet generated is the source MAC is A and the source IP address is unknown IP address.
Who will generate the DHCP discover message?
The DHCP client, which is the PC.
Okay. Now go ahead, please.
Hmm. The message consists of the source MAC as AA and the source IP address as unknown,
Mm.
and the source MAC as source IP address is unknown, and the destination IP address is broadcasted. Destination MAC address is also the broadcasted. Now it uses the ports as source port 68 and destination port
Which
67.
what port it is actually? Is it which transport layer protocol it will use?
UDP.
Okay, UDP.
And you
Mm,
port number source port as 68 and destination port as 67.
mm,
Now the discovery message is broadcasted to the DHCP servers which are available on the same subnet.
okay.
The DHCP servers, on receiving the DHCP discovery message, it will also respond with a DHCP offer message. It will also broadcast it. The source MAC will be the MAC address of the DHCP server,
Mm-hmm.
and the source IP address will be the source IP of the DHCP server, and the destination MAC and the destination IP address would be broadcasted. It will add the DHCP payload with the client MAC address and the assigning IP address which is going to get offered, the subnet mask, default gateway, lease time, with everything, the network configuration data.
Okay. Do you know the DHCP options?
Yes, sir.
So, what are the DHCP options you will see in offer message?
For the lease time, we will see the option 50, and for the subnet mask, we will
50?
see 1
50?
1.
Are you sure is it 50?
It's 51, sir.
Yeah, very good.
With
51. Okay.
subnet mask 1,
Mm,
default gateway it is 6, 3, and the DNS we have it is 6.
mm,
Requested option is 50, and the DHCP server identifier is 54.
mm.
DHCP message length is 57. Client server identifier is 67. These are the DHCP
Client said
options.
client, that is a port, right? 67 is a port.
Yes, sir.
Its server identifier is 54. Okay, fair enough. Yeah. Okay, so offer message has been received by computer. Now what
Yes.
next?
Offer message is broadcasted to the client.
Mm,
Now the client will request the network configuration data.
mm.
Now it will generate the source MAC as AA,
No, no,
and the
yeah, no need to add the fields again. Yeah, just tell me about from what is the next packet it is.
the next packet is the request packet
Mm,
generated by the PC. It will
mm,
broadcast it to the DHCP server. The
okay,
DHCP server acknowledges the DHCP client's request and assigns the network configuration data.
okay,
That's
fine,
it, sir.
fair enough. Okay, so so after DORA process, you have seen IP address. So fair enough. Now all these DORA packets all are broadcast or unicast or what is that?
All the packets are broadcasted, sir.
Okay. So now your computer got the IP address,
Yes, sir.
gateway, DNS. So what next?
Next, it will generate for the gracious ARP. The
Mm,
gracious ARP will check for the duplicate IP addresses.
mm,
Previously, the IP address has been assigned to any PC,
mm.
and it will check if it is not assigned. It will allocate to our PC.
Fantastic. So it will check the gracious up to identify the duplicate IP
Duplicate
address.
IP.
Okay. Now what next?
Next, it will generate the ARP request to find out the our MAC address for the specific IP address, and
Okay.
it will maintain that ARP addressing table.
Okay.
And next,
ARP also generated. What
yes,
next?
sir. Next it will go with the DNS resolution.
Mm,
When we are trying to search any website in our browser, the DNS resolution will happen. As the computer is a machine, it cannot understand our language. It has to be converted into the IP address. So we go with the DNS resolution. In the DNS resolution, whenever we type something in our browser, it has to be converted into IP address. And the same thing, the IP address into domain name. This is the
so how?
DNS resolution.
So suppose I'm typing like in the browser www.tungabhadranetworks.in on my browser.
Yes,
How
sir.
the computer will get a IP address for this domain name?
Whenever we start browsing www.tungabhadranetworks.in, first of all it will check in the PC's local cache memory whether there is any previous visit, is there any IP address available. After that it will generate a recursive query with the DNS resolver. The DNS resolver also checks in its local cache memory whether there is any previous visit, is there any IP address. If it is not found, it generates an iterative query with the uh, root name servers. We have 13 root name servers. The root name servers actually does not contain the IP addresses. It contains the address of the top level names server address. It will give the address of it. Now the query is generated to the TLD server. TLD server maintains the extensions. It does not have the IP address. It gives the address of the authoritative server. Authoritative server stores the actual IP address and the records of the IP address for the specific domain name, and the authoritative server uh, replies back, gives the response with the IP address to the DNS resolver. DNS resolver stores that IP address in its local cache memory, and the DNS resolver returns the IP address of the specific that
Domain name. Mm, mm.
website to the our local PC. It also stores it in a local cache with a valid TTL time.
Okay, so fine. So far it learns it. We
Yes, sir.
got the IP address. Now what next?
Now it will establish a connection with the server to share the data.
Okay.
It follows the three-way handshake process.
Why
Like
why
the
one second, slow. So why three-way handshake process came into the picture?
to share the data between the client and the server, we have to establish a connection which is reliable. So we will establish
Who?
the
Which
three-way
is reliable means who is reliable?
TCP connection.
Yeah, you need to mention, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So website, how exactly you're connecting the website? Which
By using the
service?
three
Which service
three
it is?
HTTPS
Yes. Okay. What is HTTPS port number?
443
Okay. So it uses which transport layer protocol?
TCP
So that's why it is establishing three-way handshake
three
process.
handshake process.
So what is that process? Can you explain from computer between computer and client?
Okay, sir. Here, our computer is the client. Client first sends the synchronization bit by setting the synchronization bit to the server. The server responds with the SYN plus acknowledgement. As the server also has to establish the connection with the PC, it also sends the SYN bit and the acknowledgement.
Mm,
And now the client will send the acknowledgement as it is agreeing for the establishment of the connection with the server.
mm.
This is how the TCP handshake process works.
Very good. So three-way handshake process. After that, you can start seeing the data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a TLS handshake also. Do you know the
Yes,
TLS
sir.
handshake?
I don't have the much
Okay,
idea about
no
it, sir.
problem, no problem. Fantastic. So now my question is, your computer is sending a SYN bit to the server, right? Now,
Yes,
server
sir.
is if the server is not responding back with SYNAC, what could be the reasons?
There will be no IP connectivity.
Mm, okay.
There will be no connection.
Connection in the sense like what does it mean? Like
Uh,
you said IP reachability or IP connectivity?
IP reachability.
Hmm. Okay. Where you will check that IP reachability?
I will check in my PC.
You in PC, okay, you will ping to the server.
Uh,
Server is pinging. Server is pinging. ICMP traffic is going. But however, SYNAC is not coming. That is ICMP traffic, right?
yes, sir.
So server is reachable from your computer. However,
Mm.
website is not loading because of this SYNAC is not coming. Three-way handshake process is not happening. So what else you will check?
Maybe any ACLs blocked the port
Very good. So where they will block by using ACLs like ekkada? Where?
on the ports on the TCP by
So
blocking a particular port.
yeah, I understand. They will block the particular ports or something like a 443. Where they will block that ports? Which device is it?
Routers.
Okay, routers. Maybe they use firewalls as well, right?
Yes,
Mm.
sir.
So on
Coming
our
to
end,
the security.
or remote end?
On remote.
Yeah, very good. So remote end, right? You're sending
Yes, sir.
SYN and SYNAC is fair enough. Okay, and that's all about the basics. Good. And now, can you hear me, ma?
Yes, sir. I'm
Yeah,
able to hear.
yeah. So now, uh, there is a real world issues you will see in like uh, there are some users on your local area network. So one person is getting good internet connection, he is able to browse it. Another person, he is not able to open that same websites. Example, Tungabhadra networks dot in.
Yes, sir.
So one switch, that switch is connected to computers. One computer is able to access Tungabhadra networks without any delay. It is open very quickly. But another computer, you see slow browsing issues like, oh, it's opening very slow. So what could be the issue?
The issues may be the buffer space is very small in the other PC, or else there is a MTU maximum segment size,
Hmm. What is MTU?
maximum transmission unit.
Hmm.
In that we have the maximum segment size, right, sir?
No, that is about that is TCP option. MSS is a
Yes, sir.
TCP option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what exactly is the issue? You mean MTU issue?
Maximum transmission unit.
Hmm.
Maybe between the server and our local PC, the buffer space between them will be.
So it's the same thing, right? Other PC is working fine. The MTU is same. That's why other PC is working fine and this PC is so by default computer MTU is 1500, right? 1500 bytes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So two computers. First computer MTU is 1500. Second computer MTU also 1500. So now one computer is working fine. Another computer is not working fine. What exactly will check? Like,
First, I will check with the ping whether it is reachable or not, and
yeah, you will check the website.
uh,
Once you initiate a ping, what exactly you will see?
I will see the reachability, whether the packets are
Hmm.
going, a reply is coming or not,
Very good.
and then I will trace the path.
No, no, no. Let's stick with ping only. So you will check the packets are going or not, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So apart from that, what exactly you will see ping output in ping output?
ICMP.
Yeah, you will see reachability, right? So
Yes, sir.
how many packets the computer can send when you initiate a ping? Hello?
5 packets, sir.
Okay, 5 or 4?
Four. First one is like
Okay,
getting dropped.
that's okay generally. Okay, 4 packets.
Mm.
So you will see any packet loss also, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you see any packet loss from your computer to the destination IP, what exactly you will troubleshoot?
If there is any, I will check with the connectivity.
Hmm.
Whether the route is there in the in my routing table.
Route
Where
is there.
exactly?
Route is there in your routing table on router. That's why you're able to ping. The
Yes,
problem
sir.
here is packet loss. So you said you will check the connectivity. From where to where you will check the connectivity?
I will first identify where the packet is getting lost
So how you will identify?
by doing the trace route.
Very good. Okay. So you identify packet is getting drop on your gateway router, your router. So
Yes,
what you
sir.
will do? What you will do?
I will I will add that route to my routing table.
No. So you mean route is you said like packets are getting dropped on the router. Okay. So
Yes.
where you will add the route in routing table?
Like there is already that gateway in my routing table.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Yeah. Generally, I gave you two scenarios. One is reachability is already there. We have packet loss. Another one is route is not there in routing table.
Hmm.
Right. So first scenario, if you don't if you have a route in your routing table, all the routes are there, you will see packet losses. You're sending ICMP request but reply is not coming.
Hmm.
So what you will check? Basic troubleshooting, like
I will check with the trace route, sir, where the packet is getting dropped.
packet is not getting dropped actually.
Hmm.
Okay. So it is giving reply. Some packets are getting dropped. It's intermittent, right? If it is
Hmm.
continuously dropping, trace route can work it.
Hmm.
Hope you understand. If the
Yes,
if
sir.
the destination IP is not reachable, then you will use trace route where exactly it is getting dropped. But when you do trace route, it is replying back. Mm. Some packets are, you see little packet loss like 10%, 5%.
Maybe there will be a link issue, CRC
Mm.
errors.
Very good. Mm.
CRC. I will check with the CRC errors and I will do the jack in and jack out.
Mm. Wait, what jog and jog out you will do?
The cables,
Okay,
SFPs.
okay, okay.
Uh,
Mm.
that is
Okay,
how.
yeah, okay, fair enough. Yeah, L1 issues, generally L1 troubleshooting you will do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the next one is let's go with the protocols. Uh,
Okay, sir.
what is static route?
Manually adding the destination network by adding specific routes to our routing table.
Okay. And what is dynamic routing protocols? What exactly
Dynamic
will do?
routing Dynamic routing protocol learns the routes automatically. We just need to advertise our local routes.
Okay. Now, which dynamic routing protocol you are familiar with?
OSPF, sir.
Okay. What is OSPF?
OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First. It is a link state routing protocol. It is the IGP protocol. It follows the Dikshatra shortest path first algorithm to calculate the best path. It learns the routes automatically. It uses the hello packets to discover the neighbors and maintain the neighbor relationship. It will send the hello packets for every 10 seconds and the dead interval is 40 seconds. It maintains three types of tables: neighbor table, database table, and the routing table.
Okay. Fine. So, what are the OSPF packets we have?
We have 5 packets: hello packet, dbd packet, link state request, link state update, link state acknowledgement.
Okay. So, how many OSPF states we have?
We have 7 OSPF states: init, down, initialization, ex-
Can you explain that OSPF adjacency process? Suppose take a two routers. I just configured a OSPF between those two routers and explain the process step by step.
okay, sir. we are taking two routers and we are configuring the OSPF in the two routers. After the configuration, first they will be in the init state. In the init state, they will exchange the hello packets with the fields OSPF header, version, router ID, area type, area ID, authentication and authentication data and authentication type. The fields has to get matched in the down state, except the router id. The router id has to be different. As they will move with they will be exchanged using the multicast address 224.0.0.5. After that, they move to the uh, initialization stage. In the initialization stage, they will share the hello packets with the active neighbor field. They
Mm.
find their own router id in the active neighbor field and they form the neighborship in the two-way state.
Mm.
Here
Okay.
they will discover the neighbors and form the neighborship in the two-way state. Here the DR and BDR elections will happen,
Mm.
and after that they will move to the extract state. In the extract state, the database synchronization will
Mm.
takes place.
Mm.
Here the routers will perform the master slave elections to decide whether who has to send the data first. The master and slave will elect based on the highest router ID. First the slave gets elected and then the master. They starts exchanging the dd packets in the exchange state, and each dd packet shared will
Which
get the
packet?
database description packets.
Very good. Yeah. Go ahead.
They will share the dd packets and they will get acknowledgement in the form of link state lists. And then they will move to the loading state. In the loading state, the routers will send the link state request for any missing data, and the link state update will give the any missing data. And finally they move into the
Mm.
stop state, and we will get the acknowledgement in the form
Full
of the
state.
lsa packet full state
Yeah. So you're saying data. What is the data?
packets, sir.
What packets it is?
Link state database packets.
What it contains internally?
It contains the link state id and the advertising router.
So what is link state ID here?
The link state id is the id of the
ID
router
or
id,
router
right?
ID?
Link state id,
What about advertising router?
it is the loopback ip address.
Are you sure? Just recall it. Link state ID. What is what it contains? Link state ID. Advertising router. What exactly it contains? Advertising router. Who?
Which advertises the link state
Yeah. Whoever is
lsa
adver-
packets.
Hmm.
Lsa packets, it is
So
the links.
so whoever is advertising the LSA packet, that will be the
It
advertising
is
router.
advertising router, yes sir.
Now what you will see in advertising router? What information you will see?
The routes,
Routes or what?
route, lsa, lsas,
So link
link
state.
state advertisements.
Listen, ma. Link state advertisement. You have two fields. One is link
Yes sir.
state ID. Another one is an
Hmm.
advertising router.
Yes sir.
You already told. So you said some loopback IP and router ID. So who is containing router ID? Who is containing the IP address? Loopback IP address.
The loopback IP address is the advertising router.
Advertising router. It means what? Whoever is generating the LSA, that
LSA
will be the advertising router.
advertising router. Yes, sir.
Is it contain the routes?
No, sir.
Who will contain the routes?
Link state ID.
Right? Link state ID
ID
contains
will contain the route.
loopback IP and other. So advertising
Mm.
router contains what?
The router which advertises the LSAs.
Router ID.
Router ID.
What is router ID generally? Do you know?
Router ID is the IP address of the router.
What?
Unique address.
Okay. How it will choose the router ID?
It is the logical.
Yeah. How it will elect as a router ID?
Uh, First, it will go with the highest
Hmm.
loopback IP address,
Hmm.
and then with the highest router ID.
Okay. In case if the loopback is not configured, how it
It
will
will
choose?
go. It will go with the highest router ID.
Router ID? I'm talking about router ID only. How it will
Hmm.
choose router ID? You said
Oldest route.
no, ma. Why are you mixing all the things? Listen carefully.
Okay, sir.
You said correctly only. So
Hmm.
how it will choose router ID?
Highest router ID will become the
Router ID. Oh, you understand the question carefully. Listen, please.
Okay,
What
sir.
is router ID? You said already, right? Highest loopback IP will be chosen as a router ID. Then again, highest router ID, why are you saying same thing? You understand? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
confusing?
No, sir.
So router ID definition means, you said it already. Highest
Mm,
loopback IP will be considered as a router ID. In case loopback IP is not configured,
mm.
how it will choose the router ID?
It will go with the priority,
Not priority.
high highest router ID.
హైయెస్ట్.
Router.
అమ్మ నేను అడిగేది రౌటర్ ఐడి ఎలా చూస్ చేసుకుంటుందని. నువ్వు ఏం
Mm,
చెప్పావు? లూబ్యాక్ ఐపీ అడ్రస్ బేస్ చేసుకొని చూస్ చేసుకుంటుంది అన్నావు.
mm.
మళ్ళీ హైయెస్ట్ రౌటర్ ఐడి అంటావేంటి? రౌటర్ ఐడిని చూస్ చేసుకోవడానికి హైయెస్ట్ రౌటర్ ఐడిని చూస్ చేసుకుంటుందా?
No, sir.
నీకు అర్థమవుతుందా?
Mm.
రౌటర్ ఐడిని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి హైయెస్ట్ రౌటర్ ఐడిని అంటున్నావు. అసలు రౌటర్ ఐడిని ఎలా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటుందని అడుగుతున్నాను నేను.
Route. It has to be assigned statically. Router
Statically,
ID
statically you can assign. Now
dynamically.
you're not assigning statically, and dynamically based on the highest loopback IP. ఒక routerలో ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఏ
Yes,
ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్
sir.
ఉంటాయి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ యూ విల్ సీ?
For Ethernet, POST,
Two types of interfaces you will see.
loopback,
Okay, loopback interface, and another one is physical interfaces.
physical interfaces.
So the router ID will elect first, it will check the loopback IPs.
Loopback IP.
What I'm saying, loopback interfaces are not configured. Now how it will choose the router ID? On by checking what? What is router ID generally?
IP address.
IP address. So it's just a name of the router, right? In routing protocols,
Yes, sir.
it will be in the form of IP address, but it is not IP address generally. That is what I said in classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in the loopback, if the loopback is not configured, it will take from physical IP interfaces, right?
Yes, sir.
Physical interfaces you will take, you will assign IP addresses, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the only thing. Okay, so
Physical.
yeah, physical interfaces you will configure IP address. Yeah, that is the only thing you missed it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
how many types of LSS we have, Amma?
We have 11 types of LSS, sir.
Okay, 11 types of LSS. I did not discuss about 11 type. So
Yes, sir.
what are the LSA types you see? Tell me what are those, you know? Yeah.
Type 1 LSA, it is generated by each and every router in the OSPF domain. It is the network LSA.
Mm,
And
very good.
type 2 LSA is generated by the designated route. It
Mm.
is the it is the network LSA.
Is
A
it?
router, first one is the router LSA and next one is the network LSA.
Mm-hmm.
And the type 3 LSAs are generated by the ABR, area
Mm,
border router.
mm.
It is the network summary LSA. It converts the type 1 and type 2 LSAs into the type 3
Okay.
LSAs.
Okay.
And we have the type 5 LSAs. It is generated by the ASBR, autonomous system boundary router, to
Mm.
inject the external routes into our OSPF domain.
Mm-hmm.
Type 4 LSAs are generated by the ABR
Mm.
to tell who is the ABR to the other areas.
Mm.
And we have the type 7 LSAs. In the type 7 LSAs,
Mm.
the type type 4 and type 5 LSAs are blocked, and
Mm.
ASBR to inject the external routes into our OSBF domain.
Okay.
Type 5 is converted into type 7 LSAs.
Okay. Type 7. What is that? Type 7 LSA. You said about something type 7.
Type 7 LSAs are used by the ASBR to inject external routes into our OSBF domain when we
Okay.
have configured the not so stubby area.
Okay. 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 Fair enough. So you got the clear picture, right?
Yes,
LSAs
sir.
and all. Now are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So I'm talking about some switching stuff. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now if you see, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
These are the two switches, and it computer is connected here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now
Sir, I'm not able to see the screen. I'm only to able to screen desktop.
one second, ma. Let me share it once one more time. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Hope you are able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is a packet tracer, you know already. So
Yes,
now
sir.
here you configure VLAN 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here we configure VLAN 10 and this is VLAN 20. Okay, this is VLAN 20. Okay, now the IP address of PC0 is 1.1/24, 1.2/24. If I initiate a ping from PC0 to PC1, will it ping or not?
PCG. It will ping, sir.
So can you explain packet flow? How exactly it will ping through these VLANs? So PC0, you initiated a ping. Now what
Hmm.
next?
It will carry the tagged frames with the VLAN 10.
Explain step by step process. Explain it. So PC0, you initiated a ping. What packet
Yes,
it will
sir.
generate? What packet it will generate, once you initiate a
With
ping?
the source I
No,
the source I.
listen to my
Mm.
question carefully and answer it. What I'm
Okay, sir.
asking is, on your PC0, you are initiating a ping
Hmm.
destination IP. So once you initiate a ping, what will happen?
Here the frame will get tagged using the
Listen
VLAN
my
tag.
question, Why are you
Yes, sir.
పింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ కంప్యూటర్లో పింగ్ ఇనిషియేట్ చేస్తే
Okay,
బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది? వై
okay,
ఆర్ యూ?
okay, sir.
ప్లీజ్ ఫోకస్. ఓకే, యా,
Okay, okay, sir.
యా.
Ping stands for the packet internet grouper. It checks the reachability.
Why you are standing that ping, did I ask? Do not answer unnecessary things, okay? That will give you
Okay, okay,
bad
sir.
impression, okay? So focus on the question. సింప్లీ
Okay, sir.
నేను కంప్యూటర్లో పింగ్ ఇనిషియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు దాని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది?
First, it will generate the ICMP echo request.
That is what I'm asking. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are right. You are very good now. ICMP packet will generate. Fantastic. Very good. Now, no need of any fields. Okay. This
Okay, sir.
packet generates and it will go. It's which packet you said? ICMP echo request.
Echo request
Now, this packet is hitting on FA0/2 interface is
slash
0. Yeah. Now, what will happen?
Now this ICMP echo request packet gets tagged with VLAN 10,
Very good. Very nice. Fantastic. Okay.
and while exiting the interface FA0/1, it gets untagged.
So it will send here, and now when it is okay, it will get untagged. Okay, whatever you are saying, I'm performing. Okay, now ICMP echo request packet came here.
Now it gets tagged using the VLAN 20,
Very nice. So okay,
uh,
and send to
it
VLAN
will,
20 interfaces. Okay,
and then it will reach the PC.
directly with the tag.
No, sir, it will remove the tag VLAN 20.
Okay, yeah,
The ICMP echo request will reach PC2, and it will check the destination field and generate the ICMP reply packet.
fantastic. So now then it will get tagged. Same process, right?
Untagged.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
To do tagging and tagging, this port will be which port?
Access port, sir.
Very nice. Suppose if I want to send multiple VLAN traffic between these two switches, what port I need to take?
Trunk port.
Trunk port. Okay. That mode is trunk port. Okay. Now, suppose in my organization, okay, 1 second. Where is it? 1 second. Yeah, here it is. Sorry. So now, suppose in my organization, I have a lot of computers and I have only one gateway router. If that router goes down, entire I lost the internet. If I want redundancy,
We
what I
can
can do?
use the
Yeah,
VRRP, sir, virtual router redundancy
only
protocol.
VRRP. Any other we
VRRP.
have?
Uh, or HSRP, sir,
Okay,
which is
very good.
it is Cisco proprietary.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so VRRP. What is VRRP?
VRRP is the high availability for the default gateways. For the multiple routers, we can use a virtual IP address. If any the master router goes down and the backup router takes up and for the minimal disruption of the connectivity, sir.
Okay. So how you will configure? Do you remember the commands?
VRRP
Where you will configure VRRP?
in the routers
Routers where? On the router where?
on the interface
Ah,
interfaces.
towards LAN connected, right? LAN connected.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. The difference between VRRP and HSRP.
VRRP is the open standard, whereas HSRP is the Cisco proprietary. Here we have active and standby in the HSRP. In the VRRP, we have master and backup.
Okay. Fair enough. What is either channel?
Either combining two or more physical links between the routers and switches into one logical link.
Hmm. So then after creating one logical link, what you call that logical link?
We call it as the ether channel.
Okay. But in routers, what you will see?
In routers,
Show IP interface brief I execute. What exactly you will see? You will see either channel?
no, sir. We
Oh,
will see interfaces, right?
yeah. You're combining, right? Physical interfaces and creating a
Yes,
logical
sir.
interface. What is that
Yes, sir.
logical interface? Number. Interface
Logical
name.
interface.
What is that interface name? Either
Mm,
channel is a concept. Okay. You're
yes, sir.
combining you're combining physical interfaces. And you created a
Mm,
logical interface, right? So
mm.
now how you will check it? Whether logical interface is created or not. What commands you will use?
Show ether channel.
Okay. Show either channel.
Cha-
Show either channel summary. Okay. No problem.
mm.
So, but if you execute show IP interface brief, what are the interfaces you will see after creating either channel?
Ether channel.
Listen, ma, listen.
Okay.
So, in a router or switch, there are interfaces, lot of interfaces. One, two, three. The three interfaces. Before combining these three, you will see 1/0, 2/0, 3/0 interface
Mm.
names. Now you
Okay.
combine all these three. What you will see?
The bundle PAG, PLAC.
That is a protocols. By using
Yes,
protocols,
sir.
you will bundle it. So
Mm.
after combining these three physical interfaces, what you call? You will see G1/0.
No, sir.
What you call?
The yes, sir. G1/0. The bandwidth increases, right?
Yeah, what is that? So you're combining these three physical interfaces, right? What you call that interface name?
Logical interface.
What is that logical interface name?
No idea, sir.
How you will configure either channel?
By creating the channels.
What channels you will create?
Channel by using the LACP and PAGP.
Yeah, that's okay. That is the protocols, not channels.
Yes, sir.
You're grouping them, right, by using channel group, and
Yes, sir.
you'll give one number after giving channel group. Do you
Mm.
remember?
Yes, sir.
So after giving
Okay.
channel group and number, what it will create? You heard about port channel?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are not saying?
I didn't get it, sir.
So port channel, you understand port channel?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
It is port channel.
You forget it, or what is happening? Like you're
Actually,
not
I did not remember the port channel, sir.
keyword. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, no problem. So it will create a port channel. If you see show IP
Okay,
interface
sir.
brief, you will see port channel. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, okay. And do you know? Suppose uh, between two routers, link is connected,
Yes, sir.
link is up, but if I initiate a ping, ping is not happening. What is the issue?
In case of ping, the ping
Mm.
thing is not happen. Maybe they are in different networks. The network ID may be different.
Mm-hmm. See, there are two routers. Okay,
Hmm.
so earlier it was pinging, so configuration is done. So suppose what is happening, two routers are working fine, link, earlier
Okay,
it
sir.
was working fine, ping is happening, everything is good. Now they replace the device and they configure everything as per the previous device, and after that they made a connections, link is up, but ping is not happening, configuration is good, everything is good. What could be the reason?
Maybe physical cable issues.
Physical cable is up, right? It is up.
Or maybe interface, they have shut down the interfaces.
No, physical interface is up, right?
Okay, sir.
It's up. Configuration is good. So the router has multiple interfaces, multiple connections. They connected everything.
There is no connective, directly connected, or they will connect.
Mm. You will check any how they are connected. Do you
Mm.
see what exactly you will check? Ping. If ping is not happening, what you will check?
We will check for where the packet is getting dropped,
It's
right, sir?
directly connected. Two
Yes, sir.
routers.
Mm.
So now check it. Now tell me. Physical link is up. If you check show IP interface brief, physical link is up. But the line
Mm.
protocol is showing down. Now you tell me.
Physical link additional LAN protocols. That no shutdown apart from that.
You see, right? If you give show IP interface brief, you will see physical link
Yeah.
status and line protocol.
Yes, sir.
So physical link is up, but the line protocol is down. They have configured IP address here and there.
I don't have any idea about that.
Okay.
Uh,
So they may be connected to the wrong interface, right?
yes, sir.
So there are multiple interfaces.
Mm.
So instead of connecting on one interface, they connected on a wrong interface. That's why link is up, ping is not happening.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
how you will identify whether they connected in a right interface or wrong interface?
By checking the show IP interface brief.
Show IP interface brief, you cannot see anything. You will see only IP address. What protocols we have, right? Protocols to check connections. Do you remember those protocols to check the connections?
Ping trace.
Ping trace is just for troubleshooting tools.
Okay, sir. Trace route.
Kalma, no. Do you
Okay.
remember at the end of the CCNA class, we discussed those topics?
LLDP,
Yes,
CDP.
yes. Do you remember CDP? What is
Yes.
CDP?
Cisco Discovery Protocol to discover the neighboring Cisco devices.
Oh, okay. Now LLDP.
It is a vendor neutral link layer discovery protocol. It advertises its information to discover the neighbors.
Mm. So physical connectivity to display, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Apart from this, have you taken any P1 ticket recently?
Yes, sir.
Any ticket you handled, critical ticket, which resolve the issue? Can you explain, please?
Actually, in our organization, we have enabled the post first in the end devices.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Where you enable?
in the end devices.
So you enable a port fast feature
Yes,
on
sir.
which device? On which
Uh,
device?
on switches.
Okay. Okay.
uh, Someone unknowingly has
Mm.
connected a switch to it, external switch,
Mm-hmm.
where the port first and BPDU code has enabled. After connecting the switch, the BPDU frames have came and the loops has occurred, and the BPDU god has went to the error disabled state. They have complained us that there is no internet connectivity. So we went and troubleshooted it, like what is the connectivity. Here the BPDU is in the error disabled state. Why it is in the error disabled state? Because an external switch has connected and the BPDU frames has received, so it went to the error disabled state. We have shut down it, and we have on it by removing that external switch
Okay. You mean you remove the external switch and
and
you what you have done?
shut down the device.
Okay. You shut down the device. Which device you shut down?
Like where the switch is in the error disabled state, right, sir? We have to make it manually up, shut down the device.
You will shut down entire device?
No, sir, that port where it has
Yeah, that is what
connected.
I'm asking. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Cautious. Okay. Okay. You will shut down. You mean you will bounce the port, shut down and no shutdown.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. After that issue got resolved or what?
Yes, sir. Issue got resolved.
Okay. One second. You said internet connectivity.
Hmm.
You mean
They lost the connectivity
mm,
because of the unnecessary flooding of the BPDU frames
no,
and the
no, no,
loops
no,
has
no, no,
occurred.
no, no, no. I'm asking very simple thing.
Mm.
So They lost the internet connectivity. It means some users, you mean.
Hmm.
Those users connected to the external switch?
They have connected. They have connected the network to an external switch, sir.
Okay, okay. I didn't get it actually. What is the impact here? How exactly impact has happening?
The impact is like they have connected that external switch to our management switch.
Okay, okay, okay.
And now the traffic has stopped
Mm.
because of the BPDU
Understand,
frame.
understand.
Uh,
So external switches. So instead of external switch, what they have to connect there?
External.
So
What?
you mean this is a switch, main switch, core
Mm,
switch. So they connected external switch to your internal switch, and
mm.
what happened? Internet is not coming. That's what you're saying. So after
Yes, sir.
connecting this, the port went to error disabled state. There is no traffic to the external switch.
Yes, sir.
So you removed the BPDU guard, and then the traffic went through. Issue resolved. That is what you're saying, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, right. Got it. Any other issues you have seen? Other other than this, what is the most critical issue you have seen?
Asymmetric routing, sir. While doing the BGP,
Okay.
the outbound
What is asymmetric routing like?
traffic is going in one direction and the inbound traffic is coming in another direction.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay. How you resolve it, that issue?
By doing the path manipulation using the local preference in the outbound traffic,
Mm.
and for the incoming traffic we have used the AS path prepending.
Okay. So you configured it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. So you mean in your organization they're using two edge routers?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the models of those edge routers?
ASR1K,
Okay,
ASR1K routers.
very good. Okay, Cisco?
Cisco ASR1K routers.
Okay, fair enough. Ma'am. Fantastic, and yeah, awesome. And that's all from my end. Any questions from your end?
No, sir. Can you please provide my feedback, sir?
Yes, your feedback I can give you 9 out of 10. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and everything is fantastic. The only thing is check the you're confusing little bit, so be confident on that. Do labs, okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
check everything LLDP, CDP things, and some
Okay, sir.
port channel concepts. Little bit. Those are little only, but
Okay,
maximum you
sir.
have covered. But you're going little fast. I mean,
Okay.
not that much fast as previous. You reduced it. Go. So it's the answers are more like a textbook answers. Okay, not like a practical. Yeah,
Okay.
90% practical only. So you're adding a flavor of textbook. You know, right? We learn it conceptual way. So try to
Yes, sir.
convey that. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
So I'm
sir.
giving 9 out of 10. Fantastic. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
you know BGP also, right? I didn't ask BGP. It is we are running out of time, so that's why I didn't ask BGP. But
Okay, sir.
respective that everything is good, and
Okay.
be focused on router ID. Okay.
Okay, sir.
LSAs you have a good understanding, and focus on troubleshooting part. Okay.
Okay, sir. As of now, I'm not working in that domain, right, sir? So I don't have the much knowledge about the real
No,
world
no
issues,
problem. No problem.
troubleshooting.
No problem. So yeah, you can start
So,
practicing it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, ma. That's all.
Okay, sir.
1 second.